Now we're going to take a good look at the 2020 Honda Pilot. As you can see, the big news is that now there's a Pilot Black Edition. And if you're familiar with the Ridgeline's trim of the same name, you've already got a head start on what makes this new Pilot so special. Up front, there's a gloss black grille, black headlight trim, and gloss black accents down below the bumper, replacing the chrome bits on other Pilot trims. Along the sides, you just can't miss those big, beautiful black painted 20-inch alloy wheels. Gloss black replaces chrome on the lower trim piece and the door handles, while the window surrounds are flat black on this Pilot. And even the roof rails have gotten the black paint treatment. Around back, we see black taillight trim, as well as gloss black accents on the lower fascia. And did we mention it's the Black Edition? Since this Pilot is equipped with all the elite trim's comfort and convenience features, it has the very well-received hands-free access power tailgate. It opens to reveal the highly accommodating rear cargo area and easy-to-lower third-row seat back. Got some serious cargo? Bring it on. Seriously. You would assume that a Pilot looking this special on the outside would have a pretty amazing inside, and you would be right. Perforated black and red leather first seen trimming the Ridgeline Black Edition makes an appearance here as well. One big difference in the second row, however, is that the Pilot Black Edition passengers ride in heated captain's chairs. Plus, the rear cabin occupants can pass the miles with the excellent advanced rear entertainment system. Climb up front and prepare to be further dazzled. Like its pickup truck stablemate, this Pilot Black Edition features the sleek display audio. Its touchscreen is your portal to all your favorite audio and connectivity technology. Android phone users will enjoy the Android Auto integration. Apple CarPlay awaits the iPhone types, and the excellent Honda Satellite Link navigation system lets you remove the word lost from your vocabulary. In the Pilot Black Edition, you'll hear your tunes through the ear-opening 590-watt 10-speaker audio system, also enjoyed in the Touring and Elite. And like those trims, you can also turn your vehicle into a Wi-Fi hotspot, so laptop-using passengers can surf the web while you're surfing the asphalt. You can sign up for Honda Link subscription services and do stuff like make hotel and restaurant reservations through an agent just by pressing a button. Then there's that Cabin Talk in-car PA system that lets you communicate with the kids in the back even if they're wearing the entertainment system headphones. And the wireless phone charger that works with both Qi and PowerMac compatible devices. Oh, and the suite of Honda sensing safety and driver assistive features. The list just keeps going. So if the question is, which vehicle can carry up to 7 people in blissful comfort, keep everyone connected while on the road, go off-road when you feel like it, convert from a people mover to a cargo hauler in an instant, and do it all with an edgy, muscular style, I give you the new 2020 Honda Pilot Black Edition.